Bloomberg UTV.
Thank you everyone for being here. I think I'd like to make an honest statement. The actual reason why I thought about this summit was all the other HR conferences refused to take me as a speaker. And I'm amazed at the quality of the crowd here, and I'm personally in gratitude to each one of you, because this is a step-by-step journey for us to make sure that we can have a coherent learning community in India, not just in corporates, but organizations at all facets: government, academia, institutions, the social sector. If I can, the rest of the next 10 minutes, I'd like to just focus around 4 words. I'll start with 2: change and innovation. I think these 2 words will be inseparable from learning now more than ever. It is impossible today to think about day-to-day life or business or whatever you do without learning about change. So whether it is the social construct, the way we communicate, we search for jobs over the internet, we make friends over the internet. There's so much volatility around. We all know what's been happening in the last 12 to 18 months. Are organizations geared to meet that change? Because tomorrow, what organizations will need is the ability to deal with and manage change. And that's only going to emanate out of learning. Learning not in terms of amassing knowledge, learning in terms of the ability to unlearn and learn. That ability will have to be harbored by the chief learning officer in any organization. The second word I would like to touch upon is innovation. India has an opportunity today. The world is looking at us to figure out not only solutions to our own unique problems, but also problems for global poverty or terrorism, what have you. Is that going to happen only in the R&D department of a company or an organization? Surely not. It's going to happen at every level of the organization if we empower them right. We need to empower each and every employee, not just with authority to innovate, but with learning and skills to say, well, this is what I see day to day, these are the insights, and here's what I can do differently. The collective power of the world's 50 or 100 or 1,000 organizations to impact the mindset of the people they together employ is unprecedented. Today's economy is about the knowledge context. It's about campuses. It's about far-flung cross-continent operational teams. The context of CSR, the context of employee welfare is absolutely changed. It is about nurturing the mind of the individual. Who is going to do that? The chief learning officer, in my mind, has to aspire for more. The function and the role has to aspire for something larger than skilling, training. The shepherds of knowledge creation, the shepherds of instilling in people the ability to deal with and manage change. Manage change in the organizational context, in the social context, and at the individual.